Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. And how is your preparation is going on with me? Now I'm going to explain you about the writing part, how to write opinion essay, how you have to structure your essay. The presentation should be very neat and clean. Now first you have to start with the intro, paragraph and your opinion. Then again on the next step, what you have to do, support your opinion like idea 1 and idea 2. The next step, body para 1. How you have to write body para 1? Topic statement, idea 1, explanation, example. Then next in main body paragraph 2, topic sentence, explanation, idea. Then finally you have to conclude the essay. How you have to conclude the essay? You have to summarize idea 1 and idea 2 in the conclusion. I hope this tip will be valuable for you. If you found this information good, please like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you.